Hey friends, I am Kashif from Softnagri. Today I will tell you that how to download and upload files faster to WhatsApp under 100 MBs. First of all, open your Google Chrome and go to the rabb.it. Now you may create an account by filling this form or continue with Facebook or sign up with Google account. I will go with Google account, and here is this. Now you can watch Netflix or YouTube or anything on internet for free here. Now go here and click on my room, and now click here. First of all, we check the speed test. Google. Speed test. Check this. 800 MBs, about 900 MBs per second download speed. Now we will open WhatsApp, web.whatsapp.com. If you not subscribe our channel, then please subscribe our channel by search on YouTube Softnagri and click on this red button, subscribe button. Now go to your WhatsApp and scan this barcode. Here is this. Now this is our speed. I also close this tab and open a new one. Now I go to this site and click on and write here apkpure.com. Now search any file like stock, cricket, Super League. Now this file is about 32 MBs. Download. Oh, click here to restart and click OK to save the file. Now your file is downloaded with high speed. Now go to your WhatsApp and open the account. Select account to send a game or file or song, anything else. We may share more tricks for rabbit. How to use rabbit. Select your file and wait for some time. Click on the send button and this file will be sent within the minutes to the on the WhatsApp. So this is the our trick in which the way you can download and upload files under 100 MBs and send them to your victim with low data. You can upload files with your slow internet with the help of this site rabbit. You can upload files within the seconds with the within the seconds. Thanks for watching. This is Swapnakri, and also like this video and also subscribe my channel.